Trello is a powerful tool for boosting personal productivity, offering a simple and flexible way to organize tasks and goals visually. Create a personal board. Start by creating a board for your tasks, such as personal productivity or daily tasks. This will be your main workspace. Set up lists. Create lists to reflect your workflow or priorities. For example, to do, in progress, waiting for, and done. Alternatively, you can use categories like work, home, and health. Add tasks as cards. Each task is a card. For example, create a card for grocery shopping or finish report. Include a clear title for easy identification. Detail your tasks. Open a card to add descriptions, attach files, or create checklists for multi-step tasks. Add due dates to stay on schedule. Use labels for prioritization. Apply color-coded labels to organize tasks by priority or type. Drag and drop. Move cards between lists and tasks progress. For example, drag a card from to do to done to mark completion. Track goals. Create a dedicated list for long-term goals and update it regularly.